I'm seeing if the fluid started to come up or if it started to puff or anything, but it didn't. I noticed that the level was on the side of the bottle, so maybe that's why I did not see the level all the way to the top. The brakes, he said he had done brakes, and I looked and the brake pads were thick, so that's fine. This is an air strut, this is air suspension, which means money. I'm looking at the undercarriage just to see if there was any off-roading done or anything got damaged. I noticed that the pan was dry under here, so that says I don't have any major engine leaks. Also, still looking at the frame rail for any damage or anything. CV boots look fine, not torn. I don't see any grease being sloshed around. The tie rod heads look good, and then also the lower control arms look good. Everything, you see, it has a uniform kind of dusty, rusty look, meaning that everything is just wearing. It's normal. That's what under the bottom of a car looks like. Lie down board. You see how handy that comes in? Can't afford to mess up my designer sweater. Coming to a store near you. Now, back to the program. Under here, still rusty. CV boot looks good, but the rust is concerning because when it's time to work on this thing, it's going to be a headache removing these bolts. Trust me, the brake hoses look good, no brake fluid leaks, and the hose is not frayed or anything, so that's good. Control arm look good as well. Everything look under here solid except the tires. You're gonna need 4 tires. Factor that into your negotiation price because they're gonna cost. This is a suspension strut for the rear, and when you hear ear, think dollar signs, think money. This is a transfer case under the bottom of the car. This gives you 4-wheel drive. This is the drive shaft. It should look like that. It's rusty. It's in the element, so don't be surprised. So now it's time to go inside and see what's going on in the computer. Check engine light is on. This light is on too, but as I said, it look expensive, so we're checking the codes. Listen, let me tell you. Never expected this many codes in there. Almost every single computer that this vehicle has had a code. Let's take it for a test drive and see.
If you listen. Listen. You hear that sound? That there's a bearing or something going on in the transfer case. That's
Well, I'm sure she needs a good lube job and greasing up everywhere.
No, there's
something up.
Yeah.
Part of whatever's going on up in there.
Oh, with the steering.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah. Let I tell you. Boy. Yo, that thing that about 2,000 code in that. Can't deal with the headache. Boy. No, sir. We might have to let this one go.
Yeah, my people, it's a no. It's a hard no for me because that the things that, in Jamaican term, that the thing that take more work than what John Reed bought. Have a nice day. Bless.